Step into the 2016 Toyota Corolla L. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 15x 6.0 steel wheels, front bucket seats, fabric seat trim, 6 speakers, air conditioning, electronic stability control, tachometer, ABS brakes, brake assist and delay-off headlights. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.